So I'm a double major in electrical and computer engineering. I really love both, and I think Virginia Tech EC does a really great job of taking you through different layers of abstraction, both looking at broadly like from software all the way to semiconductors, and then giving you the opportunity to dig deeply. My concentrations are controls, autonomy, and robotics in electrical engineering, and machine learning in computer engineering. And I think with that I've gotten to get a good sense of both EE perspectives in the realm of controls, and thinking about systems, thinking about how they respond to inputs, what kind of outputs they give, and looking at the frequency domain. I think that's a really amazing skill set to apply across different fields. But it also mixes well with the computer engineering side, where we're thinking more about algorithms and computer science, and how to work from more of a high-level programming perspective in order to solve problems using the massive amounts of data we have. I think those both have really spoken to me as majors. My controls major is about thinking about systems, and my computer engineering machine learning major is about thinking about data. I think it speaks to me on both a enjoyment level and a philosophical level. From when I was in middle school, I started participating in Science Olympiad, this K-12 competition, and it got me exposed to a lot of different fields like anatomy and physiology and physics and engineering, and then I continued on doing, really enjoyed chemistry, enjoyed biology, and especially was very blessed to have some great programming and electronics teachers. And so I found my primary interest in electrical engineering and computer engineering. And to me, those two fields have the greatest potential to impact and improve a number of other fields and really help us to help people. Other interests, the biomedical engineering side, it's a really big part for me because my brother has a genetic deletion disorder and some different medical challenges. So I got to see a lot of that while I was growing up, and also walk through that with him. And to me, that was really an experience of this is what a lot of families go through in the States, around the world. Some might not even have accessibility to a lot of interventions or healthcare options. And it speaks to me on a deeper level that maybe I can take my interest in engineering and take what I'm good at and try to help other people like my brother or like my family through that. I'm going to graduate school. I'm doing a direct PhD with Johns Hopkins University, studying biomedical engineering. Big picture, I'm interested to go into minimally and non-invasive therapies to help patients with various life-threatening disorders. I'm particularly interested in the nervous system side. And right now I'm keeping options open, but I would consider either going to academia, starting my own lab, or possibly pushing for a couple of years some new technologies to market in the industry. Let's take these technologies that could be much more accessible to a lot more people and bring it to the patients as quickly as possible. And for that reason, I'm going through with the biomedical engineering PhD so that I can really get this clinical perspective and understand how to bring technologies from bench to bedside.